Now see this second question from exercise 5.4. Exercise 5.4. ఇక్కడ చూడండి అన్న, ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ కే ఆఫ్ ఈచ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వాడ్రాటిక్ ఈక్వేషన్ సో దట్ దే హ్యావ్ ఈక్వల్ రూట్స్. మనం ప్రీవియస్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్లో మనం డిస్కస్ చేసాం. నేచర్ ఆఫ్ రూట్స్ మనం బాగా నేర్చుకున్నాము. అందులో మనం ఏం నేర్చుకున్నామంటే బి స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 4ac అనేది ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే రూట్స్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్. సో ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ బేస్ చేసుకుని నీకు ఒక మంచి క్వశ్చన్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హెల్ప్ఫుల్ టు గెట్ ద మార్క్స్. వెరీ 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 ఇంపార్టెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్ నాన్న. నౌ సీ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. I told you clearly b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, roots are equal. When we read the question, the question itself is given have equal roots. So I would like to find a, b and c from the first quadratic equation. So by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, by comparing xk terms, I get a that is equals to 2. By comparing x coefficients, I get k is equals to b equals to 4 or k equals to b, okay. b equals to k. Now coming to c equals to 3. In question itself is given roots are equal. Therefore, I can take b square minus 4ac is directly equals to 0. Now coming to what is m of b is k. So k square minus 4 as it is, and my a value is 2. 4 times 2 times 3, that is equals to 0. Now k square is equals to 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So I would like to write to 24 with the minus, that is equals to 0. Then I will get k square is equals to 24, and then k is equal to root over 24. Root over 24. Now k is equals to 6 times 4. 6 4s are 24. Then k is equals to the square root of 4 values to everybody knows, and inside what just you have 6 with the plus or minus. Keep in mind with the plus or minus, I told you clearly in the previous class. So k is equals to plus or minus 2 root 6. Now coming to the second bit, it's a little bit different than that. Even we can simplify, we get k and from this equation. Now kx times x, kx square, kx times 2, 2kx అంటే kx and 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 2kx వస్తుంది. That's clear. Plus 6 is equals to 0. Again we comparing with ax square plus bx plus c. By comparing with this one, directly my k value is my a value is k and my b value is minus 2k and my c value is 6. The question itself is given have equal roots. Again I using the same concept, b square minus 4ac is directly equals to 0. Then we're coming to my b value minus 2k whole square minus 4 times k times c value is 6, that equals to 0. Now coming to 2k whole square minus 2k into minus 2k. Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4k square. So 4k square minus 6 4s are 24k equals to 0. 24k. Very good. Now, here and here, one k is left from these two terms. Then here I have 4k minus how much? 20. That equals to 0. I told you clearly so many times product of two expressions is 0. One of must be 0. K is equal to 0 or 4k minus 24 is equals to 0. But I am not considering k equals to 0 because in question itself is given k not equal to 0. This is not helpful. Now coming to 4k minus 24 is equal to 0. 4k is equals to 24. Everybody knows minus 24 will go that side, it becomes positive. Now coming to k, 24 by 4, that equals to 6. So if k is replaced by 6, no doubt at all, the roots comes out with equal. Let me try that. Is it right or wrong? I would like to verify it. So I would like to erase the first question. I would like to erase the first question. I would like to see the roots are equal or not. Okay. So now my k is replaced by how much? 6. So 6 times x minus 2 plus 6 equals to 0. By observing these two terms, 1 6 is common. That equals to 0. X times x minus 2 plus here 1 because 6 into x minus 2, 6 times 1 is 6. Here 6 is multiplying, will go that side, it divides 0 and becomes 0. Now coming to here, x times x minus 2 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now multiplied with this one, x square minus 2x, because x is distributing to x and 2 respectively, we get x square minus 2x because x times x square, x times 2 to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I would like to splitting of middle terms. I would like to follow the method splitting of middle term. X square minus x and minus x and minus x minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. So here comes x minus 1. Here minus 1 is common. I would like to get x minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1. E plus 1 minus 1 times x minus x. X into x square. X times x is minus x. Yeah, it's right. Now, when x minus 1 comes out from these two terms, inside again I will get x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if the product of two expressions is 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. Implies x is equals to 1, implies x is equals to 1. I told you clearly roots are equal because b square minus 4ac equals to 0. It is very, very important concept. Learn, get marks.